Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63 S AMG Coupe, and it is equipped with a Stage 2 remap by AMG Performance. It's not just power and performance to shout about with this car. We would consider this to be a spec monster. This AMG comes equipped with over £10,300 of factory optional extras. That's on top of the Premium Plus package, and this is a C63S. S meaning it comes with additional equipment over the standard C63. The AMG S model featured an abundance of performance and driver focus upgrades, including the 9-stage adjustable traction control system, the race mode, which is an additional dynamic driver mode, the AMG drivers package, which is a top speed increase to 180 mph. You get the AMG Performance Recaro bucket seats, the dynamic engine mounts, the AMG track pace where you can record data on your favourite racetracks, plus much more. The Premium Plus package features the panoramic glass sunroof, the Burmester premium sound system, and the 360-degree reversing camera, whilst also benefiting from the optional carbon fibre interior package, the head-up display, the driver assistant package, premium exclusive two-tone leather package, and plus much more. It has now completed our meticulous 60-hour detailing preparation process, and its condition only represents a small fraction of its current mileage. To find out more information about this car, please get on the phone to us or head over to our website, because we have an advert that breaks the specification of this car down to the finest of details.